Yo, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to the vlog. If this is your first time here, my name's Herb, and I've been living full-time in my Honda Element for the past 7 months. It's been pretty chill. Let's see. This right here, well, that's my little pup Hades, and we are actually going over to my storage unit right now. We have a sale. Saying before the camera died, I am at my storage unit and I am getting a Rob the Robot toy that I'm selling. Got a seller coming to pick it up at 2 and just want to be prepared, so let's get this bread, son. Bam, back at the storage. And you're probably asking, well, why didn't you just keep it on you? Well, that little guy takes up a decent amount of room in the Element, so not really trying to have all that. I like to be nice and relaxed in my home. But I might take some smaller stuff and keep it with me, just so I don't have to keep coming back. Right, so that was pretty easy, pretty painless. Got rid of the Rob for 70 bucks. Quick 70, I could go buy the new Legend of Zelda game with that. Sell Nintendo product, buy Nintendo product. The circle keeps going. But I haven't decided if I'm gonna do that right now, because I need money. So I'm probably gonna be responsible and just keep that $70 for right now and just wait and see what else sells. My dad last night kind of went a little crazy after seeing how much stuff I started posting. So he started bringing stuff out from his room and he was like, can we sell this? Can we sell? I'm like, yeah, we could sell. So I'm snapping photos of everything and posting it all up. And then I woke up this morning with like 25 messages. Is this available? Is this available? Most of them were scam bots. I freaking hate scam bots, but yeah, so hopefully once all that blows over with the scammers, actual people come in and they're like, yeah, I would like to buy this for a reasonable price, and you know, we could make that happen. But for right now, it's all just a sit and wait game, so that's what we're doing. We're sitting and waiting. I grabbed some of the other Nintendo stuff that I have, which is a controller, this really nice collector's Zelda Majora's Mask 3D pin, these NES style controllers for the Switch, and I found out that this guy right here, he's worth some money because he's rare. He's a rare amiibo. And then I also have a pink and green Yoshi, which they aren't worth as much, but I figured, heck, if I sell them all together, make some money that way. Because this guy's going for like $100, and I think I bought him for like 17. So that's all money right there. And my pooch is just laying back there chilling. He just vibing. It's like whatever, man, whatever. But yeah, got the sun blocker up. We're just waiting for people to reply back so we can sell some stuff. And yeah, there's nothing too crazy going on. I'm just trying to make some freaking money, guys. Just trying to make some money and hang in there. But other than that, we will see you in a little while once we sell some more stuff, or if I just feel like checking in, or if something interesting happens. So nothing else really happened for the rest of the day. I just kind of was hanging out with my parents, and Dad went to court again today. The guy once again was no show. Yeah, other than that, there just wasn't much going on today. So I will catch you guys in the morning. It's gonna be another 2-parter video, 2 days for one video. It's just been slow. Nothing really too exciting happens when I'm just by myself. So yeah, all right, have a good night, and I'll see you in the morning. Good morning, everybody. And just like that, we had a beautiful night of sleep. Hades is out and about. and we are gonna be hanging out with Dana today. And I've also got things that I've posted up for sale as well, so hopefully we'll be able to make some sales. Got my dad right over there cleaning up a tree, and he was also giving me things to post up for sale as well. So overall should be a pretty good day. Hopefully we make, I don't know, it'd be cool to make like 150 bucks from everything that we've posted just from today. Like if we could make 150, I'll be really happy about that. But yeah, all right, let's clean this place up a little bit. What do you guys say? I feel like my home's a little dirty right now. All right, so before I hit up Dana's, figured get us a boba. Bam. Hades, watch the car for us. Thank you, sir. What a gentleman. Bam. Sweet. Thank you.
I'll be right out.
He's ready to go. Definitely looks like more element content is underway. Heck yeah. Looking good. Damn. Getting to actually see these wheels in person. Nice. Super nice. All right, so one of you guys actually reached out to me and wanted to buy some yo-yos. So this one right here is one of the ones that subscriber picked up, and so I'm gonna just do a couple tricks for you guys real quick. I don't know how well I'm gonna be able to edit that to look, but clean you guys up. Yeah, so that's a little bit of tricks, and here's the two yo-yos that are going out. And yeah, thank you for supporting the channel, helping me get some money in my pocket, because that right there, that helps a lot. So just want to thank you. You know who you are, man.
To know if I'm going straight or making an action turn. If I'm driving a car that's way too aggressive for the street or whatever, I'm just like, I'm not gonna deal with trying to, like, you know, drive the car on the street. I just keep going on the freeway until I find the next exit, you know.
Yeah.
But it depends.
That's all worth it though.
You guys made it here.
Yeah, thanks man. Thanks for hosting us.
Hell yeah, we out here, man. Automotive anatomy in the building, bro. It's good.
I wanted you to start the video so then, you know, you'd be like, what the hell? I didn't choose, you know, things static. I'd be tripping, yeah? You're like, what am I? Yeah.
I'm chill, bro. You out here putting you to work. You guys big ass number behind me.
How come I don't see any courts?
Because my mom gave them all for
Okay.
They were retired.
Could have said something nicer, but you didn't.
Transmission.
Let the record show you could have said something nicer, but you didn't.
Transmission was. I guess the piston head, like compression ratio and all that. He's only trying to make 400, and I know guys who have K24A4 that make 6.
Jeez.
But you know, you're here to party,
Yeah.
you're here for a good time, not a long time.
Yeah.
For him, this is a daily driver, so he's gonna try to make 400, and his setup is good.
4
to
is
make.
solid.
Yeah,
It's
400 is.
power, yeah.
I mean, you're really not gonna be dig launching anything 400 plus. The thing is lifted 3 inches with the HRG kit and some massive ass tires. Like you'll be snapping axles before you know.
Or transmission.
Yeah. So 400 is gonna be very suitable for a daily commuter like this. And the good thing is his turbo setup that he provided me and all the things that I bought to make his turbo kit is good for like 700 horsepower. So
sweet.
if you ever want to turn it up or swap it to like an A2 TSX, this thing probably could make a lot more.
Oh, that's dope, man. Yeah.
It's gonna be a fun little. I mean, you look at Honda Element, you're like, you just a lifted off-road vehicle. And the next thing you know, like what? Wait, you turboed or something? Yeah, I just want to have a fun little, daily commuter because he also has a Civic wagon. That's B series all-wheel drive turbo, and that car makes a heap of power too. Yeah, and that's his fun car. This is his commuter. So.
Oh yeah, so light.
Yeah. Element life, man.
Element life.
Element life. That's what it is. If you guys haven't taken notice, man.
Issa, I noticed that you've taken out your back seats. Very nice, sir. I don't know if this is, but it looks like it's gonna block some sun. That looks pretty good. And it smells super good in here, bro. I like how you're taking care of this bad thing. It's nice. It's nice. Sheesh.
Made by me or bought off of eBay. eBay.
Thank you.
eBay, eMusa, eBay as hell. Max Speed Rod, eBay. I made this myself. The manifolds, eBay. eBay radiator, like junkyard motor, junkyard transmission. There's a few things you don't cheap out on. Like I bought a really good clutch for it. Good injectors, Hunter tunes. Just some odds and ends that you just don't cheap out on. But everything else, eBay shift cables, eBay shifter box. I mean, I got K2, I got K Pro on here, so that's something I didn't cheap out on. So there's certain things, things that work, things you want to stay away from, and things you want to buy quality. So this car right here, I'm gonna do a breakdown video soon, and I'm gonna break down everything that I spent for the whole entire drivetrain of this car. And it makes 370 non-VTEC.
Wait, we don't know because that video is coming out today. Nah,
I mean, if you're subscribed, you know.
If you subscribe, you would know.
Yeah. But like I said, man,
sick,
they're
dude.
very basic.
Meow. Meow. Come here. Meow. Meow.
I haven't seen
Meow.
LMs, so you need to have LMs on here. 19.
Meow. 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 Meow.
Are these staggered?
No.
Where?
Yeah, where? 29.
Yeah, it's good. It's like perfect.
About to go get the wings right now with the homies. What up?
Out here. See, he stands like he waits.
Wait. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Anyways, we're out here and we're
gonna cut that out either.
No, that's that full part.
This is for Dana.
This is for you. You know who you are.
We're just talking YouTuber critiquing and just giving our feedback and some of Herb's video. That's all it is.
I'm surprised
I need the help.
Hey guys, perfect.
Hey guys, welcome back.
10 seconds payment?
Oh man, that's the good stuff.
You pause it and then just wait till it goes up?
Yeah. All right, cool. We got that one. Oh God, thank you.
Damn 100 problems, bro.
And my battery's dead for my alarm.
Herb's GoPro stick for the win.
All right, guys, take it easy. I'll see you later. Hell yeah. Thank you. What are you doing when you get back home? I'll come by and hang out for a bit. Sweet. Let's go, Hades. All right, so I stopped and picked up some tortillas because Dana's brother wants to cook some chicken up and some rice. So we're gonna have some delicious tacos. Can't wait for that. Let's get back to his place so we can start cooking. Just drove to where I'm gonna be sleeping tonight. It's in a nice little parking lot actually, so pretty stoked about that. But Dana's brother actually sent me on my way with a bunch of freaking tacos, bro. I mean, that's breakfast, like lunch, freaking bro. I'm all set on food right now, so that's freaking awesome. But I think I'm gonna edit up this video and we will get it up relatively soon. I'm probably gonna shoot this one out on Monday, get back on my regular schedule of posting. But yeah, I just want to thank you guys for sticking around and enjoying the day with me today. That was really chill. Got to meet like Automotive Anatomy in person, which was super freaking chill. Yeah, I think I'm gonna hit the hay and just call it end of vlog right here. So thank you for sticking around once again. Have a good night, and I will see you in the next video. That's a promise.